Alright, hello everyone. I'm here with a layout. I'm going to try to get 4 layouts done, 4 voiceovers done before anybody gets up. It's almost 6 o'clock, so I'm pressed for time. My background is basil cardstock. That butterfly layer is from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Truly Grateful, number 5. That heart pattern is from Amy Tangerine, Slice of Life. I'm going to cut out some circles. I'm trying to do a photo map. This is an iguana that we saw jumping out of a palm tree in Miami Beach. I didn't know they just ran around wild there. That was pretty cool. The circles I just cut from scraps. I'm just going to place those around the layout. Okay, so those clear stickers are Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. And I'm using them because those are like areas of stickers that look like mixed media. So I'm putting those in the areas where there's going to be some die cuts, some embellishment clusters. I'm going to use that clear sticker for my title. What pattern? Come on. Quickly. Come on. It's trying to get on my lap. Oops, sorry, I just hit my mic. Alright. Oh, I see Ginger has graced us with her presence. So this is her now, because this is a layout I just did around November 23rd-ish. No, or did I do it? Let's see here, Alex had... I probably did this on the 22nd or 23rd of November. So this is her most recent. She's 22 weeks, and we found her at 4. So I'm using a lot of the clear stickers, and she's a huge pain. She is very, very playful. Very playful. So all she does is eat, sleep, and play. See? I mean, precious, very caring, very loving cat. Patton's a snuggler and loving, but not like Ginger. Ginger is in tune to our feelings. If I get upset, she gets in my face and meows. I mean, it's weird. Okay, so those butterflies are Vicky Booten. I do use some die cuts, which are pink paisley, truly grateful. And that is all I do to this layout, with exception of some ink splatters. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.